10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. 30, right 4, or 4 right long. 30, 4 right tightens, 3, opens.
Yeah, the car is bloody fast.
Oh man, yeah, 30, 5 left, keep in. Sorry, let me get you there. Yeah, this is your 30, 5 left, keep in. Into 5 right. 30, 5 left, long, tightens. 50, 5 left, tightens, 4.
Hold. Okay.
70, 4 right. Oh. I can't be off already, jeez. Where am I at? Jeez.
You were on it.
Yeah.
Another 70.
Yep, 70.
The right.
Yeah, the 3. Jeez, where was I at here? Right, this is the right 3, up the hill. It's a left 5, I believe so. 30, left 6, no. Middle, fuck man.
No cut?
Yeah, no cut.
This is a 3 right.
Yeah, here's a 3 right, into 5 left. How was I not on? Into your 5 left. Here, all right, here's your 30, 6 left. Middle, stay middle. 30, 5 right.
Fuck.
Opens.
Popping out of gears again.
Into 4 left plus bumps. Again, 4 left plus bumps.
God damn
50, 5 right.
Gearbox is fucked already.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Into 4 left, opens, tightens, extra long. .26 right and deceptive, stay middle at the junction. 5 left. Oh, well, way up. Minus long. And the 4 right, don't cut. Here's your 4 right.
Behind us.
Yeah. 4 right, don't cut.
Oh, this is it. Yep.
50. 5 left.
Then
70. Braking right 3, camber. 20. 4 right, don't cut. 70, 5 right.
Fuck.
Again, this is your 5 right. 30, 4 right. Into 3 left, tightens. 50, 4 left. Keep it tighty. 50, 5 right, extra long. All right, I can just do this. Here's your 5 right, extra long.
God damn it.
24 left. 50, 6 right. 55 right. Into 4 left. Yeah, here's your 4 left. Into 3 left junction. Oh, here's your 4 left, yeah. Okay, here's your 3 left junction. 50, 5 right. .100. At the end of the 100 is a 4 left plus. .70, 5 right.
Keep going.
Yeah, 30, 6 left. Okay, son, yep. 3 left. Into 3 right. Into 4 left. Into 5 right over crest. Into 6 left. Long crest, stay left over crest. Into 5 right plus over crest.
God damn it.
36 right. 25 left. 32 right. Again, 2 right. Into 4 left. 30, 4 right. Into 5 left. Minus. Into 4 right long.
Ah.
into 4 right long, 50, 3 left, tightens, again 3 left, tightens, 30, 4 left, long, opens, tightens, into 3 right long, 30, 4 left, this is extra, again this is a 4 left, 30, 5 right, into 4 left, into 4 right plus, 50, 5 right, 4 left, into 4 right long, into 3 left, 30, 4 right plus, 30, 3 right tightens. Here's your 3 right tightens. Into 3 left. 20, 4 right plus. Into left 5, don't cut. Into 5 right long, tightens. Into 4 left, 50, 5 left.
Come on.
Right past the radio, 50, crest, into 4 left plus.
Check the screen. Windscreen.
What?
Still green?
Yep. 4 right, 5 right, very long. Into 3 right. And 3 left. Bump. 4 left. 20, 5 left. Into 5 right. Into braking 4 right. Into 4 left long. Into 5 right long. Into 4 left long. What is going on? Here's your 4 left long. Into 5 right long. $50. Bump.
Bend.
50. 5 right tightens long. Opens. Into 4 left, keep in. Okay. This is a 4 left, keep in. Caution, right 4, don't cut. Don't cut on this one. Into 4 left. Kinks 100. At the end of the 100, the 5 left. $35 left cut. All right, those are your 5 left. Here's your 35 left cuts. Into 5 right. 50 bump. Into 4 left. Into 3 right. Into 4 left long. Braking 5 right. Into caution, big bump, into 3 left. Opens, into 4 right. And 5 left. Kinks 50. Into the 50, the 4 left, tightens 3. Into 3 right. Nice, tidy. Here's your 3 right. Opens 50, double caution, 4 right, opens, into...
Does not want to go in third.
No. 4 right, into 3 left. Five right, into 5 left. into 3 left, widens. This is where the road gets wide. 80. Caution, right 3 long. 24 right. Into 5 left. This is your 4 right, into 5 left. Into 5 right. 20, 5 right long. 30, 4 left. Into 4 right, very long. Into 4 left. Oh, this is very, very long. This is your 4 left. 20, 3 left. 23 right. Kinks 50. Right 3 short into left 3. Again, that's going to be right 3 short into a 3 left, sorry. Into 4 right. We're almost done. Oh, 4 right. Oh, 4 left. Tightens. My bad, late. Into 4 right long. Four right. 50. Braking 3 left into rough. Again, this is braking 3 left into rough. Into 5 right. 50. 5 right. Almost done, almost done. Here's your 5 right. Flying finish is over this. Yeah, I got a 5 left.
Yep.
And a 5 right. And that's it.
It just started popping out of gear right away.
Yeah.
It third and then grind. Oh, god damn it. I have to rebuild the thing again. Oh well. We're gonna keep going till it doesn't let us anymore.
Yeah.
There's gotta be something else wrong.
Yeah, it's not. It shouldn't. With all that.